this market volatility, some folks, especially retirees and those close to retiring, are on edge, watching their portfolios closely. Our Jake Holter joins us live in studio with some advice from an expert. Jake?
Yeah, Kim and Kayla, when speaking with a financial advisor, the overarching advice was to hold and not panic, but he says this market could also present an opportunity.
A tumultuous stock market for the last few days.
If there's one thing that markets don't like, it's uncertainty. And what just happened with tariffs is making the market a lot less certain than it was just a month ago.
Jason Siperstein with Eliot Rose Wealth Management shares with us some advice as some are anxious watching stocks fall. We break it up into 3 categories of investor by age. For retirees, Siperstein says consider a tax loss harvest.
What that is you're selling stock at lower prices to lock in a capital loss, and that's going to help on taxes.
Siperstein says now could also be the time to convert your account to a Roth IRA to save on taxes down the road. For those within 5 to 10 years of retirement, the advice is a little different.
Hold, rebalance. So let's say you had a portfolio that was roughly 60% stocks, 40% bonds, and now maybe it's 50-50, 50% stocks, 50% bonds. Maybe now, rebalance, put it back to the 60-40, and what you've done is systematically, sold high to buy low. So that's what I would suggest.
Siperstein says if you've been conservative with your stocks, now could be the time to get a little more aggressive when prices are low. And for those even younger, sort of the same advice.
I would encourage you to, start dollar cost averaging into the market. Because like I said before, starting earlier and starting when prices are lower has always been historically a great opportunity.
And Siperstein adds that for retirees, this could be a time where you try to live off of your safe assets in your portfolio while waiting for some of the riskier assets to recover. Live in studio, Jake Holter, 12 News.